Blue Sapphire. Sapphire is one of the big three of jewelry colored stones. The other two are ruby and emerald. A durable stone that's designated as a birthstone for September. It captures jewelry buyers with its practicality and aura of romance. Corundum is the mineral species that includes both sapphires and ruby as varieties. Red corundum is known as ruby, and while other colored corundums are called sapphires, although blue is the most well known. Colors of Sapphire. Sapphire is generally known as a blue gemstone, but surprisingly it comes in a wide range of colors and quality variations. In general, the more intense and uniform the color is, the more valuable the stone. Sapphires that are not blue are known as fancy sapphires and may be any color except red, which is a ruby. The fancy sapphire colors are pink, orange, yellow, green, purple, and violet. There truly is a different color of sapphire to suit anyone's taste. Blue sapphires. Color has the greatest influence on a sapphire's value, and preferred sapphires have strong to vivid color saturation. The most valued blue sapphires are velvety blue to violetish blue, in medium to medium dark tones. Sapphires with these qualities command the highest prices per carat. Less valuable blue sapphires might also be grayish, too light or too dark. Corundum, gem of the heavens. Sapphire's name comes from the Latin word for blue, sapphirus, the color for which the gem is best known. Sapphire is available in virtually every hue, including yellow, peach, orange, pink, violet, purple, and green, as well as colorless gray and black. Most sapphires are heat treated to intensify richness, color, and improve clarity, permanent and stable. Deep blue sapphire. Sapphire is the most precious and valuable blue gemstone. It is a very desirable gemstone due to its excellent color, hardness, durability, and luster. In the gem trade, sapphire without any color prefix refers to the blue variety of the mineral corundum. However, the term sapphire encompasses all other gem varieties and colors of corundum as well, excluding ruby, the ruby variety of corundum which has its own name since antiquity.